Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to do a quick review of these shin guards, leg guards, whatever. I got these because first time since 2017, since I've been at this property, I encountered my very first copperhead. And here I'll put a picture of one I caught. I think it was probably close to 2 feet long. But I got him, and after that it kind of put the fear of me about just how down in the bushes I am at various times. So I picked these up off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below where I got them. Pretty inexpensive, but they've got tough, I don't know what the material is inside. It says this in the description, but these are, you know, to an S, help protect my legs from getting snake bite. That's the last thing I want to do is get bitten and get poisoned and have to deal with all that unnecessary rigmarole. So anyway, so I've got these shin guards now, leg guards, whatever you want to call them. There's a bunch of different brands out there, so I don't know that it necessarily matters, particularly if you get one version of the other. These were, again, relatively inexpensive, so they're fully adjustable over here, so you can make them tighter or looser. But they're in essence, you know, there to protect you from getting snake bites. And from now on, look here, get that down so you can see them better. So from now on, when I am out doing my weed eating, I will be wearing these in conjunction with my boots. So I'm not going to have to worry about having a snake come up and take me for a little snack or try to taste my leg. So anyway, I'll be wearing these from now on when I do my weed eating. So if you are working where there are possible pet vipers like this one, you might want to pick up a pair of these just to protect yourself and be on the safe side.